Alright, some new tools for the job. Oh, work is like Christmas. Alright, so, sorry I got a second myself. This is a nice little combo kit. Comes with 2 batteries, charger. One's double and single. And heck, what I'm talking about, let's pull it out. Always love bags. So I like how this opens up nice and wide. Got a charger. There we go. Nice little light. Lights are always good. Make sure y'all can see. Why is someone telling me? Cardboard. Battery action. Hell. Multi-tool, oscillating tool, attachments, directions, oscillating tool, sawzall action, right here. Another battery. Back, cardboard, attachment for sawzall. Here's another saw. Here's one of these, and blade. So pretty nice. I like Ryobi. Can always find it. I think it's pretty damn dependable. So check it out.